Hey y'all, it's a real girl, Trust. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright y'all, so today I'm installing this wig by Outre. It's a 13 by 6. I think her name is Sierra. Yes, she's a 24-inch. But y'all, I have not filmed in over a year. And I know y'all probably like, girl, where you been? Like, for my real sports that be, asking me. Well, I shouldn't say it like that. For the people that do still watch me or whatever case it may be like, where you been, sis? I'm right here. I'm kind of back. Maybe. Y'all, I just bought a vlog camera, so I gotta kind of be back. Yeah. I don't know, y'all. It's been a while. I don't know. It takes so much time, but I'm kind of dedicated. I want to be in my creative bag, my content bag, all 2025. Yeah, so let's just see, honey, what, inspires me. I'm installing this wig by Outre. Sierra, I don't know why I'm nervous like somebody here, but I'm nervous. Or maybe I'm on edge because my girlfriend ain't called me back yet. Maybe. Just a little bit. What you doing? What you got? What are you doing? Like, why you not texting me back? Why you not answering my calls? Like, huh? Huh? Tearing up everything. She cute. She cute. She bright as hell on camera though. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I want to do a side part or a middle part. Yeah, so I did flip the wig off camera, y'all.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up.
Black Radiance powder. I just put makeup on my lips, and now I'm gonna just wipe my forehead off with alcohol.
Turn the lights down right now, put me in the.
Wiping all my makeup off. I'm using this glue by Dola hair. Dola hair? No, Dola. For Dola is for you. It's first.
Taste this a little bit, high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems and these songs dedicated. You win. You're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen.
I do not care for this glue. It's alright. It ain't like what people, explain on TikTok, how it's waterproof. That's not true because, well, I don't know if the batch I got is not waterproof. Because anytime I sweat, baby, it's sliding. Slip, slide all over the place. It's too watery. It don't stay. But I don't keep my wigs on for long anyway, so it don't matter. To be honest. But when I do want it to stay, it don't stay. So, yeah. I'm supposed to let each layer dry clear, but I'm not in a rush. But I did do a 8-hour shift today. I'm tired. I got off at 4 and I'm like, okay, I'm going to Valentine's this weekend. Hopefully y'all see that. I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit. I'm pretty sure my friend wouldn't mind me vlogging, but I'm gonna ask for permission just in case, because I don't know what type of games we're gonna be playing or I'm used to doing just beauty content. I mean, if you scroll all the way down, I got like 1 or 2 vlogs on my page, but I'm not no vlogger. But cause I feel like I don't really do much, but I do enough. Like, I want to vlog when I go to Jamaica. I'm going to Jamaica in April. I know y'all probably like, girl, you finna fly? Let's go. You about to fly, and all this stuff been happening in the world. Yeah, y'all, I surely is, because I really ain't got no choice. And as y'all see, it's a new background, y'all. If y'all see my shoulders up, I have developed real bad anxiety, and my shoulders be like that. So I don't know how long I was doing that, but Don't clock that. I don't like how far up that is. That's gonna throw me. I'm gonna dry it too much because I don't feel like it's really sticking. So I don't know, it might look like I'm rushing through this, to be honest, but I don't like that.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you?
So this damn wig had a big spot in it. Like, it was huge. I couldn't believe it. Like, they missed a whole row of hair. Like, it was bald. Y'all, did y'all see that? Like, it's so much cap right there. They could have put some more hair on the wig, honey. Lord.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you.
Trying to make sure everything glued down. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna put some of this melting spray by Dola here. I'm gonna put it on my finger and tap because I don't want it to get everywhere.
Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, please, you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like so nothing. Take you there, I'll take you.
up since 5:30 a.m. It's now currently 7:39. Let's see, honey.
Join the move for empathy is blood in my pen.
I want to cut this so bad, just a little bit, but I'm scared, y'all. I do not cut stuff. Let me see. Girl, no, I ain't even gonna try it. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. Only cause like my braids kind of lumpy. So that's kind of throwing me off too. But y'all, this is the finished look finally. It ain't really, I thought it was gonna be a little more thicker. It's not the kinky, silky, you know, it's very silky. So yes, y'all, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Trust it's a real girl. Make sure you subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Trust. Maybe I'm bad, maybe I'm not bad, but I'm kind of bad, period.